Hey y'all, thanks for watching today's episode of Cooking and Reviewing in the Burrow. I'm Dave, and today we're going to cook chicken on the grill and in the oven. We got chicken thighs and drumsticks ready to go. And what we're going to use is Dale's seasoning. If you haven't had it, go to Walmart and grab you some. It's good stuff. Start with this though. This is the lower sodium version. First thing we want to do is we're going to just dump all this right on the chicken. It's pretty thick coming out at first. Just need to make sure the stuff is touching all the chicken, and it pretty much is. So, and it doesn't take long to marinate at all, like 10 minutes, half an hour max. I'll probably just go 10. What I'm gonna do is set the ovens. Once they're ready, it's going in. So while that's marinating, we're gonna go ahead and turn the convection on. If you have convection, use it. If not, just normal bake will work. I wanna do convection, and then start, 400, go. And we also need to turn our grill on. So I'm going to turn all three burners onto the start position and fire that bad boy up. Shouldn't take long. We're going to want it to be right here on 400 as well. So while those are heating up, we got the grill outside, got the oven right here. I don't know how long, I've never timed it to see how long it actually takes those to preheat. The grill will probably be done first. Basically, what I want to let you know is that we're basically going to do this chicken. I'm going to split it up evenly. Well, there's 5 legs, so I'll probably put the third one in the oven. But we want to see what the difference in taste is between the exact same marinade, cooked almost the exact same way, electric versus propane, and see, which one comes out better. I'm thinking maybe the oven. I don't think it's going to dry it out as much as the grill is, but only time will tell. Once they're preheated and ready to go, I'll be back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and load this chicken. I'm going to give it a quick stir real quick, just to get a little bit more sauce or marinade on there. I'm going to take two thighs, one, and this broiler pan right here, I've already pre-greased it. I use just regular pan with cooking spray, and then put a foil liner on the bottom to catch all the stuff so that it's not so nasty when it comes out of the oven. And then there's a third one. So same thing out here. Sorry if there's a wind noise, it's a little bit breezy. It's gone up to about 450, but that's okay. It'll go down once I open the hood up. But I'm gonna put these right in the center. I know where the cold spots are on my grill. I know it won't take as long to cook those legs, so I'm gonna put those in the cold areas. And they should be fine, just like that. We'll cook them for 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees. You can either dump that, or you can, brush a little bit or pour a little bit more on about midway through. I will definitely be adding a little bit more. Okay, we're about 20-25 minutes in. They're starting to look pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and brush a little bit more of the marinade on them. Like I said, it's not required, but if you want to, go ahead. And also notice I'm not flipping these at all. With them being dark meat, they're going to be a whole lot more juicier and should stand up to this salt in this a whole lot better than, say, a chicken breast would, or even a chicken wing. The chicken wing is so small it'd be pretty dry. And we're back at the grill. I don't know if you can see this, but it's just barely over 400. So it's been holding. Definitely make sure you turn those on low and not on high, because if you put them on high, they are definitely going to burn up. But yeah, it's definitely, you can tell this is my hot spot right here. Skin's already starting to separate. These are probably pretty close to done. All right, we'll give these a few more minutes and we'll see you then. So we're about 35 minutes in. I'm going to take this internal temperature thermometer and check the temperature on these, see if they're ready to go yet. Like I said, it's 82. That's about right. That's about how warm it is outside. I'll link I'll find something. If not this exact one, I'll link one of these in the video description so you can go purchase one, because these are a great tool to have, especially if you cook a lot of meat. They'll save it from being overdone. Well, let's see, we'll just take the thigh and put it in the fat part. Try not to get on the bone. And it's right at 167. That one says 200. 196. So yeah, those 3 pieces are done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off. And I'm gonna wait for the ones in the oven, because they don't look as dark. I don't think they're getting as done, but I'll check those as well. And if they are, I'll go ahead and pull them out as well. Okay, so I checked the ones in the oven about 5-7 minutes ago, and they were okay. Well, here comes a hot rod. And a motorcycle. And a redneck truck. Good grief. But as I was saying, I checked the ones in the oven about 5-7 minutes ago, and they were all between 165 and 170, so they're fine. I just want to, give them a few extra minutes just to make sure. But I've already pulled 3 of them out of this. I'm going to take the last one off now. And we will go in and grab the ones in the oven.
Okay.
Pull these out of the oven. Those are looking pretty good. Sound good too. So we'll get this in a casserole dish and get them on a plate and be right back with you. So there they are, all of them. Can you tell which is which? Tell you what, if had I not known when I loaded it, I really can't tell which ones are which. But these are the ones off the grill, these 4. And then these 5 are the ones out of the oven. We'll get a couple of these plated up and give them a try. Okay guys, we got them all plated up, along with some Hanover Italian cut green beans. They're canned, but they're good. I usually put, like a tablespoon of bacon grease in with them while they're cooking, but unfortunately I'm out of bacon grease right now, but no matter. They're hot and good. They're still good without the grease, but they'd be a lot better with it. There's also the kind that come with potatoes, and I actually like those better. But like the Italian cuts, that's what we get. Now we're gonna try the chicken. Oven chicken first. I can definitely tell the difference in the two marinades. This is definitely not as salty. I actually like this a lot. I'll be going with it from now on, I'm sure. But this is nice and tender still. You can see it's a little pink, but that's par for the course with dark meat. That's why it's called dark meat. Now for the grill. That was hot. Sorry about that. But you can tell it came out of the grill. It's got a whole different, not flavor, but color to it. Honestly, they taste really similar. I mean, I wouldn't, the main reason I did this video is, people may knock, oven roasted chicken, but this marinade works for the oven. I don't see any reason not to use the oven for it, and, save your gas grill for something else. But you can also use this on beef as well. It'd be really good on, like, say, a sirloin or some cut up skirt steak or flank steak. You don't have to just use chicken. You can just about use any type of meat with it. So I highly recommend it, and hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna go get something to drink and enjoy my dinner. Until next time, have a great night, guys.